You're gonna stay here. No, you have to stay. You have to stay. No, okay, fine. Okay, I'm not. It's okay, you guys. Okay.
Just taking his things, no matter who you are, you won't be forgiven.
Harley, take it outside. Take it back outside. Don't you dare. Harley, take it back outside. Go outside with the stick. Harley. Harley. Ma'am?
Ow. Ow. Charlie. Help. Someone help me.
Anyone cannot sit and eat peacefully when dogs are around.
Here. You guys are slobbering on my chops.
He's telling you to move. Katie, what are you doing?
I'm gonna sit like that.
Perhaps what he needs most right now is someone to play with. It's hard for him to try to take someone somewhere they don't want to go. His excessive jokes are sometimes the result of being over-pampered. Although he cannot help his master much, in the future he can become a great assistant. As long as he can wake Dad up, no matter how he does it, it does not matter.
Don't you dare. No! Winnie! Don't you dare!
As long as you are with your owner, bathing is no longer scary.
No more food. Go. No more food.
Anything will cause discomfort when you are angry. Pretending not to care is probably the best way now when meeting strangers.
Get off the horn.
Not everyone is calm enough to wait patiently.
Get off the damn horn.
Oh, you're nice. You're nice. You have your own baby. Talk back when I'm talking to you.
This argument doesn't seem to stop until his mother gives him what he wants.
You're not getting.
The sweetness of an orange is sometimes enough to wake a sleeping dog.
Bark at your dog.
As long as it's his favorite item, he doesn't allow anyone to touch it.
Jay, are you shouting at me? Since when? Since when?
No one can hurt you when you have a protector like this.
Huh? Since when?
Maybe he needs a translator now to say what he wants.
Merci.
Okay.
I'm gonna touch your toe. I'm gonna touch your toe.
Touch it.
Touch your toe.
Maybe he just wants to keep his boss to himself.
You want a ball? Go outside? Want to go for a ride?
Despite the master's words, the most important thing right now is to sleep.
Dude. No. No.
No one can refrain from the attractiveness of the snack. Sometimes imitating an owner's odd behavior is not easy.
Bentley, I just put my bath bomb in there. What are you doing? Get out of my tub. No, you get out of my tub right now. This is not bath time.
The best way to clean your body now is to lie still and not mess around. Happiness sometimes simply comes from the welcome of every family member.
See if it just does a thing.
If it's not Dad, everyone's intimate actions are offensive. It looks like he's completely ready for his first journey.
Juniper, you're hurting my leg. You're putting all of your weight on my leg. Do you mind? Do you mind? Can you get off? Get off!
It seems like being a gentle masseuse isn't easy for him. Sometimes happiness is simply eating your favorite food.
Ничего это.
Pleasure is sometimes simply being massaged by Mom.
No. No. Ow!
Any prank will stop immediately if the owner is in pain.
Hi, Mimi.
Should we go to your house? Should we go to Mimi's house? We could go in the car.
It was difficult for him to grasp his mother's story when he couldn't understand anything.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Just a pat is sometimes enough to get your dog excited.
Strider! Get out of here! I'm in the bathroom! Hey, now!
It's time to say bye and see you in the next videos.